Kailangan mong makuha agad yung attention ng audience mo within the first 3 seconds of your video. Ito yung tinatawag natin na hook. Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo sa first part ng video mo para makakuha ng attention ng audience and mapastop sila sa pag-scroll, yun na yung hook. So, I wanna share the 4 things I learned na pwede mong gamitin para makagawa ng magandang hook for your videos. Una is relevance. So, making people think na, uy, para sa akin tong video na to. You need to ask yourself kung nagmamatter ba yung content mo para sa audience mo. Kasi if not, hindi nila papanoorin yung video mo. Number 2 is novelty, making them think na, ay, iba to. Unusual siya sa paningin ng audience mo. Other people call this pattern interrupt. Mas nag-i-increase kasi yung attention natin kapag meron tayong nakita na unusual. Number 3 naman is information gap. Perfect talaga to sa nasa education niche because yung audience nila is talagang nanonood para makakuha ng useful information. So, you can spark curiosity by asking a question na talagang gusto ng viewer na masagot sa content mo. So, lastly is emotion. So, pwedeng sa hook mo is magsabi ka ng something na makaka-trigger ng emotion nila, whether it's anger, love, inspiration, ganun. Kailangan meron kang ma-evoke na emotion. I think this one is really effective kasi emotion is the strongest attention triggers. Kapag meron tayong napafeel sa audience, talagang makikurious sila to keep watching more. So, ayun. I hope this is helpful and follow for the next lesson.